I just received this lamp that I am attempting to put in one of the rooms that I'm trying to record on, and I am excited to try it out. I just wanted to show you how it came in this box. So it comes like this, all separated. Here is the remote for the control, and we're gonna go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. So I'm excited to try it. The cool thing about it is that they come with numbers. So 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. So it's really easy to install. And this is how it looks. Like, you just remove this little phone, and then it will like connect, like start the battery, and yeah, so it synchronizes with music and things like that, which is pretty cool. And this is how the color light looks during the day. I put it towards the white wall, so that way you can see how it looks.